stones and backbone. Shame is known as esoteric, wrecks tracks like gallstones. You're prone to perish for biting sentences, printing lyrics on your J-card without citing references. Crazy ill kids feel me like placebos, but it don't pull steel like Magneto. I leave you black and blue like Max Rebo, off of my cerebral. God complex, but no cathedral. I hammer heads like Momonadon, underground like radon. Throw my tape on, I burn your wax down to a crayon. Word, I used to take chemistry and physics. Now I take it to your chest piece like a bishop. What is it? Seamus ripping apart mental composites. Diagnostic, caustic, I deposit brains of rap stars in glass jars. My frame's composed of more species than Madagascar. I gobble suns like a quasar. Your Haley's comet, and all the low I rock don't make me patriotic. I'm still robotic, rebel, alliance medic. She Mr. God Awful, also known as esoteric.
I'm the creator of the rhymes you praise. I'm only trying to show you what you don't see. All of y'all with the gall, I will leave in a daze. So sucker MCs, please think twice.
I'm knocking some sense to kids like boxing events. My toxin dispense, blocking your vents like oxygen tents. That clubbish, singing in the break stuff is rubbish. You never catch Seamus Ryan with that stuff published. So stop the gimmicks in the image that you're mimicking, cause that will be detected like aflatoxin carcinogen. Behind me, my cortex nematode brings strontium 90 and spits it back in your face kindly. Remind me to stomp a silly goose. Your shit played like the power of Zeus, a joke for those that try to produce. You couldn't be real if I turned you to magnetic tape, or you tried to replicate my whole genetic state. I generate like electricity, devastate with symmetry, penetrate heads of metal plates. I set it straight like alignments. Put your whack raps upon consignment, cause you can't get paid until you sell out when rhyming. I'm in a state of euphoria, android warrior. Your raps are getting sorrier and sorrier. The protocols bugs players like Topley, tsunami, and I'm hissed like Cobra Zombie.
I'm the creator of the rhymes you praise. I'm only trying to show you what your records keep on missing. All of y'all with